Yeah, I don't do group rides a lot, but I think you're a good leader. You like set the pace that's safe, and then you don't go beyond, and you check the people behind you and stuff.
I was kind of measuring it right now.
Yeah.
Like I was like kind of tailed like the straightaways, how fast we were going, and how slow we was going on the turn. So I kind of like I set it at 65, 70. So
Okay.
like 60, 70, 60, 70.
Yeah.
Good.
I think I saw both of you before.
I'm always out, man. I was telling him, like, I'm always at the track.
This guy's everywhere, yeah.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Rob?
Rob?
Yeah.
Raphael.
Sung.
Song.
Yeah. Rob, what's your name?
Raphael.
Raphael?
Wayne.
Wayne? Cool.
Bruce Wayne. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah. Almost there.
Like he's super smooth, so has good line selection. just want to make sure that he's safe. So I just drop back a little bit. If I were to ride with this guy next time, though, he needs to get armor. I just think he doesn't know. So the reason I did that is, I don't know if it was from Moto Jitsu or Dan Dan the Fireman, but they said they should have a experienced rider in the back, so you can watch the, so it's like a wolf pack. You have like someone in the front leading the pack, and then someone in the back like kind of watching the group. So yeah, like I don't mind riding with this group. They ride safely, and they have a cool head and their shoulders. They take care of their group. The leader does track day, so he knows what he's doing. Whoa, look at that view. Is my camera still on?